In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Miro. Now, Miro is a fantastic tool for collaborative working and visualization, but sometimes adding images can initially seem a little tricky. Don't worry though, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. To start off, you need to open your Miro board. You can do this by navigating to the Miro website and logging in to access your board or directly opening the Miro app. Once you're in, the first thing you'll notice is your familiar workspace where all the magic happens. Miro boards offer a wide array of tools and functionalities, all neatly laid out for easy access. Next, let your eyes drift over to the left side of your screen. This is your control panel, your go-to place for accessing all the interactive features Miro offers, including adding images. So now that you're oriented, let's find the upload icon. It looks like a small picture or landscape symbol on the left toolbar. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking, a new set of options will pop up. These options include My Device, Upload via URL, and Saved Files. Each offers a flexible way to bring in images depending on what you prefer or what suits your situation best. For today's demonstration, we'll focus on how to upload directly from your device, which is typically the most straightforward option. So select My Device. You'll be prompted to browse through your computer's file system. Simply navigate to the folder that contains the image you'd like to add and select it. Once you've clicked on your image file, you'll see it appear right onto your Miro board. One of the great things about Miro is how seamlessly it integrates images, allowing you to move, resize, and position them just as you like. A quick tip: if you're planning to add multiple images, it might be helpful to resize your first image and arrange it accordingly before adding the next one. This way, you maintain a neat and organized board. Also, if you want your image to be easily editable later, consider locking it in place using the lock option in the toolbar once you've positioned it correctly. That's it. You've successfully added an image to your Miro board. This ability to incorporate visual elements can significantly enhance your presentations, brainstorming sessions, or project outlines, making them more engaging and comprehensive. Remember, the more you experiment with these tools, the more adept you'll become, unlocking the full potential of what Miro has to offer. Thank you for joining me in this easy tutorial on adding images to your Miro board. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be a pro in no time. Happy Miroing!